David Suggitt.
And I'm Josh Rogers.
And welcome to the Pain Train. Today we're going to share with you the Pain Train's top 5 fish of 2014.
Coming in at number 5 was a monster that we got in the opener up on Lac Sewell this year, a 53 1/4. Little bit of a hectic battle, but we ended up getting her in.
Yeah, this video to me just really shows the pandemonium that can happen in the boat when you hook these giant fish. And if you listen closely to the audio, you can really feel what's going on. Let's roll that clip.
Number 5.
Holy shit! Holy shit!
Coming in at number 4 on our top 5 list is a pretty special fish. It was Rob Jankowski's giant G-Bay muskie this summer. Not only was it the biggest fish of the season for us all, but it was the biggest fish of his life. So it was pretty spectacular, and it was definitely a bit of a mind melter, this one.
It was a big one.
Yeah, let's roll that clip.
Number 4.
Oh, it's a huge one, dude. Here she comes, here she comes. We got her, we got her. She's ours. Woo! Woo! Oh, dude! Yeah! Man! Oh, huge! Oh! Yeah, buddy! Oh, fuck. Oh my god, dude. Holy fuck. Is that good?
Coming in at number 3 on the top 5 of 2014 was a pretty special steelhead for us.
Yeah, we were looking for 2-in-1 muskie all summer long, which to us means 2 baits in 1 muskie. We didn't end up getting it, but we got something pretty close to it in this steelhead here.
Yeah, we managed to catch this giant steelhead. What were the measurements? 34 by 17. And we managed to catch it back to back within probably 3 drifts of each other.
Yeah, it was close.
So it was a pretty special moment for us, and we got over 60 inches of steelhead in pretty much 3 drifts. Let's roll a clip.
Number 3.
Here he comes, 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 here he comes. He's coming right at us here, Dad.
That's a fucking huge one, buddy. Hammer time.
Wow. Huge one. Oh, crazy, dude.
New PB. It's a sweet fish, man.
Oh, man.
Huge one. Let's see what else the old fucking Culver Toll's got for us. Yep. Another big one. No hook set. Is it the same one? I don't know.
Oh, that's the same fish, man. I don't know, I can't tell. It's another huge one that looks exactly the same, so.
Might as well get a show.
Oh, fucking right. We both caught the same huge fish back to back. We weren't even cheating.
No. That is a big one, eh? Wow. What a fish. Maybe that is a 20-pounder, I don't know.
No, I think he's gonna go about 15.
Yeah, you think so?
Yep. 34 by 17. That's gonna be right around 15. Wow. We got him.
Coming in at number 2, Suicidal. I have to do that again. Coming in at number 2, Suicidal. This year, on my brother's trip to annual trip to Lac Seul, he lit it up on us. He's been coming up there for 5 years, and a lot of the time he watches us do most of the catching up there. But this year was a different story for sure.
Yeah,
on a different kind of bait than we normally use too.
Yeah, he threw on a Suick and basically began and continued to clean the floor with us. I think he pretty much caught almost every single pike after he put on that Suick for 2 full days.
2 full days, yep.
And he ended up with some pretty good ones. So that's the reason he made number 2, because it made us all happy to see him finally put some good fish in the boat.
Yes, sir.
Number 2.
Oh, yep, nice one. Nice one, nice one. Stay on him, Billy. Nice!
Nice fish.
Oh, yeah. Nice one. Nice one. Stay on him, Billy. Nice one! Woo!
That's a beauty. All right. Get her back.
Just try not to pull her back like that.
There she goes. The fall season for 2014 was a pretty tough one for us for muskie.
To say the least.
We fished a lot of waters and we got quite punished. And yeah, we didn't really know what we were going to do because the season was winding down and we hadn't had much size in the boat, a couple small ones.
Then we went down, we took our annual Southern Ontario trip, and we were hoping that Billy would come to our rescue like he did on the fall trip this year up at Lac Seul. And he did, in spectacular form. This is one of the 2 that he got that day.
So coming in at number 1, Billy to the rescue.
Number 1.
Oh yeah, much better light, much better light. Oh. Oh yeah, that thing's fucking, no, you don't need to go down. There you go. Oh man, that thing is huge. I'm gonna come in for one of these. Big ski.